Hello everyone, my name is Asadul Islam and my Chinese name is Ali. I am from the beautiful country of Bangladesh and I am currently pursuing my master's degree in logistic engineering and management at Chang'an University. Chang'an University, located in the historical city of Xi'an, offers a vibrant and dynamic environment for students from all over the world. The campus is not just a place to study, but also a place to grow, explore, and experience diverse culture. I am the part of the School of Economics and Management, where I am learning from some of the best professors and engaging in practical projects that prepare us for real-world challenges in logistics and management. When it comes to food, our university canteen is top-notch. It offers a wide variety of dishes catering to all taste and elementary preference. From traditional Chinese cuisine to international dishes, there is something for everyone. The food is not just only delicious but also nutritious and affordable. Our university library is another great facility. It's a hub of knowledge with a vast collection of books, journals, and digital resources. The quiet and mindful environment makes it a perfect place for study and research. For recreation and entertainment, Chang'an University has excellent sports facilities. Whether you are into basketball, football, or just working out at the gym, there are plenty of options to stay active and healthy. Engaging in sports is a great way to unwind and make new friends. Chang'an University has truly been a wonderful place for my academic and personal growth. I am proud to be part of this vibrant community and excited for what the future holds. Thanks for watching and hope to see you at Chang'an University.